Why don't you just use something else? And why you use an original but imitation original? 呢一樣嘢唔係自己嘅話咧，啲食客嚟食嘅咧，可以喺你間餐廳食，可以去嗰間餐廳食嘅。我點解要嚟你間餐廳食？正如一個杯碗碟咁樣，我可以同呢個品牌買，可以同嗰個品牌買㗎啦。咁我點解要買你嗰啲咧？我買嗰啲因為你特別啊嘛。佢個 philosophy 係同我哋做菜嘅係一樣，同呢啲畫嘅都係一樣。呢啲畫係講畫香港嘅，但係你覺得咦好多符號、好多色路喎，好多諗法喎，咁樣樣咧。去 tailor made 一個瓷器俾去裝住中菜出嘅咧，我嗰陣時係未有。咁後尾我就發現呢個品牌啦，即係 Desmond 個品牌咧，如意啦，東方嘅，係中國嘅。呢度每一個圖案啊，每一個形狀啊，都係中國嘅。但係咧，佢出嚟個狀態咧好有型嘅。你唯有原創先係咁樣嘅，你抄嘅咧係唔需要你個人嘅感情嘅。因為我見過好多嗰啲A 貨啦嗰啲 A 貨啦，都即係完全無論係個 size 啦、個顏色啦、嗰個襯咧都係唔一樣嘅。咁你既然想靚嘅，點解你要用 A 貨啫？咁你不如唔好買，你用個白碟啦。That's one thing. I mean, don't do that. I mean, it's many other options. Many other options. Yeah. Contemporary approaches to put in your own personal angle and vision into a certain thing. You look something that's only you, and then you express yourself. Because you express yourself, someone see it. The one who looking at that object or trying your food, they feel what you feel. Hopefully, they feel what you feel. That's special about original. 東方哲思，現代感知。